amazed this tree hasn't been getting attacked by Circulio. Usually once I spray, this tree is the one they focus on for some reason. Which is strange because when I don't spray, this tree gets ignored. 100 apples bagged on that tree. Might try for 150, maybe 200, who knows. Interesting thing about these yellow transparent types like this Lodi, how big these apples get so fast. I guess you have to do that when you're gonna be ready in a couple months. Does the Grape Kool-Aid work to repel the birds? I will find out. Just sprayed everything and stuck that one right out there in view of everyone. If it stays, I'm assuming the Grape Kool-Aid works. I'll quit blowing. These are my plum leaves. They're nice and thin, flexible, not thick and waxy like peach or nectarine, I assume. I don't think that one was eaten at all yesterday. So I am saying Grape Kool-Aid probably does not work to chase away the birds. I'm thinking shotgun. Heinrich and his retarded ear. Why don't you hold that ear right? You're not supposed to fold that ear, you know. This is why you need the thin, if I can find it. See this radish? It's getting this tall spike on it. It's getting ready to bloom. No radish on it. I have been eating out of here, so I have been getting radishes, but they need thinned even more. So maybe you're wondering, how do you weed with all this tight spacing? Well, I found me this cheap little stirrup hoe. More expensive one would have been better, but they're like 30 or 40 bucks. And I'm cheap. I'll try to show you. Well, you see, you can't stand this way in the rows of the corn, because corn's in your way. If you stand this way, you can fit. And just pull it across. Just pull it across and it cuts them off at the root. This works better than a claw and a regular hoe, because the claw and a regular hoe just rebury all the stuff you're trying to kill, and then they come back up. So the Grape Kool-Aid did not seem to work on the strawberries. So I'm trying the bags. I'll try the Grape Kool-Aid on the cherry tree if the birds go after it this year. Maybe more of the smell will chase them away, but I'm not holding out hopes. It's just another one of those organic gardening claims for homemade stuff that doesn't work. Peas are blooming. Cantaloupe's up. I planted real old mustard seed in a row down there. Some of it's brown, some of it's for leaf. Yeah, these potatoes ain't gonna come up. That's what my troll told me. Well, the ones at the end are blooming, so they should have potatoes pretty soon. All the corn's coming up. Told my roommate to pick his broccoli and he didn't listen to me, so it's bolting. Lettuce is starting to head up. At least the one variety is. Not so much this other variety. Ooh, I could have spinach in my salad now. I've had quite a few salads. Let's see how I'm picking them. Going off at alternating sides so they have room to fill in. The butter crunch looks like it's starting to bolt, and you can tell we've had some hailstorms. Ripped up the lettuce leaves. Bok choy. It looks like the water came all the way up over top of the carrots. And carrots have suffered some hail damage. We got some green cherry tomatoes.